Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hoover HLEH8A2TE Heat Pump Tumble Dryer. And what I want to do today is to show you around the dryer some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. So I'll just show you the dimensions of the tumble dryer. The width, you're looking at 60 centimetres or 23.5 inches. The height, you are at 84.5 centimetres or just over 33 inches. And as far as the depth, so front to back, going all the way to the back, if you're going to the front corner here, you're looking at 56 centimetres or 22 inches. If you want to include the door, then really you need to look at 61 centimetres or 24 inches. So if you're looking at purchasing the dryer, I suppose any appliance, just make sure it fits, because there's nothing more frustrating than it arriving and then realising it doesn't fit in the space. To switch the dryer on, all you need to do is just turn the dial and to select one of the programs. Now what I want to do is to just show you some of the programs that it offers. But first of all, you'll notice that you've got a really nice clear red LED display on here. Now this is something that Hoover have been really good at over the years. I suppose different manufacturers go with different colours of displays, but Hoover on this range of machines have tended to stick with red. And to be honest, it works really well because it's nice and clear and easy to read. And the first option is the remote control option. And what you can do is you can download an app and you can actually control the dryer through the app, and you can select different options. I'm not going to do it at the moment. I have tried it before and I must admit it does work quite well, but for the purpose of this video I just want to go through some of the programs that it's offered. But the first main program on here is the Eco Cotton, and with this one you can dry the full capacity of 9 kilograms, and it's a very energy efficient program. And you'll see here what it will do is it will bring up an approximate time that it will estimate if it was a full capacity load. So here it will say, well, that's it, 2.5 hours as an approximate time, but you will find that that will increase or decrease depending on the load that you put in and also the moisture content of the clothes. The next program is the whites, and with this one again you can dry the full capacity of 9 kilograms, and this is ideal for drying things like cottons, towels. The next program is jeans, and with this program this is ideal, as it says, for tumble drying your jeans or denim items. It is recommended to turn things inside out. Next program is darks and coloured, and this is a delicate and specific cycle to dry dark and coloured cotton or synthetic garments. Next one is synthetics. So if you want to dry synthetic fabrics that need an accurate and specific treatment, then this is a program to choose. Now these programs, so whether it's the jeans, darks and coloured, or the synthetics, they have a maximum capacity of up to 4 kilograms. Now all you'll find, and I'll try and mention the capacity for each program, because if you overload it, so for example on this program, so on the synthetics, if you were to put a full capacity of 9 kilograms in, it's not going to take 1 hour and 40 minutes, it will take a lot longer than that. Next program is shirts, and with this program, this has a maximum capacity of only 2.5 kilograms, so it's quite a small load. And with this program, as it says, it's ideal for drying your shirts, and it can help to minimise tangles and folds within the drum. And because what it does is it has specific movements to help enable that. Now I must admit, this is the kind of program that I would really like on a tumble dryer, because I tend to wash and dry a lot of my shirts. I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to ironing, so I try and put things in the dryer to help reduce the amount of creases within the shirt. So for me, this would be ideal. The next one, so as we get towards the bottom, this is the Rapid 30, 45 or 59. So these are just quick cycles, and if you wanted to dry something in either 30 minutes, 45 or 59 minutes, then that's the option to choose at the bottom. So the next option, all-in-one. With this program, this is a new innovative cycle to dry different kinds of fabrics at the same time, and the dryer provides an alert when the lightweight fabrics are dry and are ready to be taken out. And the maximum capacity on this one is up to 6 kilograms. The next program, extra hygiene. So this is really good if you've got extra hygiene needs. So if you wanted to dry things at a higher temperature than normal, then this could be the program to pick. And with this one, you've got a maximum capacity of up to 4 kilograms. The next program, anti-odours. So this is a perfect cycle to remove the smells from linens and to help smooth creases. And as you can see, it's quite a short program. It will come around in a second. So this is ideal. So as you see, 20 minutes. So this is good if you've had something in the cupboard for a while and if you just want to give it a quick refresh, or if you've been out And if something, say if it was in a smoky atmosphere, then rather than hanging it out on the line, which at the moment is quite rare in the UK, to be able to hang something out to air, then you could just pop it in here and it's just a quick 20-minute program. The next one is Wool Mark, and with this it helps to dry your woolens. And I know a lot of you are thinking, well, why would I want to put woolens in the tumble dryer? As you can see here, you've got the Apparel Care image on the front there, and basically the wool drying cycle of this machine has been approved by the Woolmark company for the drying of machine washable wool products. As long as the products are washed and dried according to the instructions on the garment label, then they will be fine within the dryer. And that's really good, because I know I've got quite a few woolen jumpers where rather than just hanging them up, to be able to put them into a dryer and to dry properly would be fantastic. Next program on here is Delicates, and you'll find with this one, so with the Delicate program, it's up to a capacity of 4 kilograms, and this is ideal for drying delicate fabrics that need an accurate and specific treatment. And the next program is the Anti-Allergy, and this can help to reduce the main allergens, things like dust mites, pet hair, pollens and residual of powdered detergents within the clothes. So if you do suffer with allergies, then again this could be a really good one to pick. And the final program on here is XXL, and this is a specific cycle dedicated to large linens. There could be things like curtain sheets, tablecloths, it could be some bedding items as well. And what it would do is have specific movements within the drum to help reduce the amount of tangling that you can get on large items, which can be really frustrating. On most condenser dryers, you normally have a container at the top left here that you just take out, go and empty the water, then pop it back in. On this Hoover one, slightly different, you've actually got a container within the door, and you've got the handle there that you just pull that out, and then you can just go and empty it and then pop it back in. Same concept, but a completely different design. Now, I really like this because, first of all, you can see the water level when the machine is in operation. So when that's in, and you've actually got different levels on here, so medium and maximum, so you can just see the level of the water. Now, I have seen other videos where people have put things like little fish in there, and it looks really good actually. You've actually got 2 filters on this machine. First of all, you take this one out and that opens up like that. Just take any of the fluff or lint out and then get rid of it, and then that will just drop back in. Also, you've got another filter, same concept, but just part of the other design. So that just drops back in, then that one goes in, then you're ready to go. Just show you the energy label. As you can see, it's an A++ energy rating, so very energy efficient. That's really what the heat pump tumble dryers are all about. So on average, it could cost 236 kilowatt hours per annum, because that will always vary depending on the programs you're using, load sizes, things like that. The other main thing to mention is the 67 decibels, the noise level. And I'll try and point out the noise level on an appliance, because it can be really frustrating having a noisy appliance whirring away in the background if you're, say, trying to watch TV. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these models, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Hoover HLEH8A2TE Heat Pump Tumble Dryer. Bit of a mouthful. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. If you come here to see a specific feature that I've not covered, then just pop it in comments and I'll get back to you, because we've got this on display in our showroom. Also, if you have got one of these dryers, it doesn't necessarily have to be this one. If you've got a Hoover condenser dryer or heat pump dryer, let me know what you think about it, because I do always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for watching.